Hi guys, welcome back. This is just a quick thank you to Patchy John. He sent me a parcel absolutely ages ago, but I haven't got around to messing about with anything. Just opened it now, and this is what had arrived: a Squire, a Master, number is that? Number 3. Nice Union. €1/2 Alpro. Is this large format or small format? No, I think that's large format, interchangeable core. The Squire actually has a interchangeable core, it looks like, as well. A challenge lock, Bobby keys, and a car lock. I presume that's a car lock. Never opened one of them before. I don't know if that's wafers or what, or if you need one of them special tools to open it. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. But I guess we better try and open something. Let's try the Union. It's been such a long time since I picked anything, but I should be able to manage a Union, eh? Shouldn't I? Famous last words. Hope we're in focus. Can't quite tell if we are or not. Probably, yes. Let's have a feel anyway. Yeah, had a little tiny movement on the core then. I think we're open. Oh, that's stiff, man. It's not popping. Oh, that's a stiff shackle as well. Okay, we're open. Fab. Fan-dabby-dooby. To try and sort a key out for that at some point, and I'll send that on. That shackle is well stiff. I don't think they're normally that stiff, but that is well stiff. Anyway, I'd just like to say thanks to Patchy John. That's a lovely Union picked. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Bye.